Hello, my dear children. On behalf of Jet Kids International School Pusat, I welcome you all to our virtual class 1. Yes, our class is 1. Subject English grammar. Today we are going to study about English grammar and our topic is revision of lesson number 1 and 2. Yes, today I am going to take your revision of lesson number 1 and 2. So children, shall we start? Okay. So what is the name of lesson number 1, children? Yes, the alphabet and alphabetical order. Yes. So what did we learn in this lesson, children? Yes, we learnt about how many alphabet letter are there. Yes, and how to form the words in alphabetical order. Yes, we learnt about this in detail in our previous video. I hope you got it very well, children. So, if you are having your textbook, children, open page number 11. So, let's get started. What we can see here? We can see here alphabet train, and in this train we can see so many birds are there and also animals are there, as we can see on each alphabet letter. Yes. Do you know how many letters are there in English alphabet? Read the letters in the alphabet train. So children, do you know how many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes, there are 26 alphabet letters. Read the letters in the alphabet train. Now we have to read the letters which has given in alphabet train. So try to read with me, children. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes. So children, like that we have read. Okay. So children, you have to read it properly. Okay. Now see the next portion of this lesson. Yes, alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. Read this list of words. Look at their first letters. Now children, this portion is very important. Okay. So children, we have to read the list of words which has given here. So see the first letter of each word. Ant, bat, cat, dog, eel, fish, goat, hen. Okay. So children, see the first letter? Yes. Each letter of each word we can see in bold letter. In bold. Like in dark color, dark black color. Yes. Now, to understand us how to form the alphabetical order the words we can see here. Yes. The words in this list are given in the words of the letters of the alphabet. Now children, the list of this word is in alphabetical order. It is in already alphabetical order. Yes. So how A comes first? So we can see the already word which start with letter A, ant. B comes after A. Okay, like we can see B for bat. Then C comes after B. C for cat. Yes. So this is how it is in the English alphabet. We have to see the first letter. Yes. Which letter comes after that particular letter, we have to understand it and we have to arrange the words according to that. Okay children. So what is meant by this alphabetical order? Writing words in the order of the alphabet is called alphabetical order. Okay. Writing words in the order of the alphabet is called alphabetical order. So, as we have seen this list of words. Okay. So, we have seen the first letter of each word. As we can see, this list is in alphabetical order. Getting? So children, see the example. Yes, we will see the example of alphabetical order, how to form the word. So see, sun, door, milk, light, India, flower, bird, rainy. Now children, you have to form this word. You have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. So how to do it? So see, first letter we will see. Okay, now can we see here the word which start with A? No. Then but we can see B. Yes, so we will write the word which start with letter B. So write down B, bird. B for bird. Then B after which letter come? C. Can we see here the word which start with C? No. So we will go to next. Next word is here door. Yes, it start with D. Then we will write door. Then D after E. Can we see here E? No. Then F. Can we see here F? Yes. We can see the word flower which start with letter F. So write down flower. Then number 4 children. Yes. What is the number 4? F after which letter come? G. Can you see here? No. H? No. I? Yes. We can see India. Name of our country. Okay. So it start with letter I. So India. Number 5. Can we see J? The word which start with letter J? No. Then K? No. L? Yes. L for light. So we will go to next. We will write light. Then number 6. L after M. Can we see here? M? Yes. Milk. So write down there milk. Getting children? Hope you are getting. Next one. Number 7. Yes. M after which come? N. N is here? No. O? No. P? No. Q? No. R? Yes. We can see R here. Yes. The word R, rainy. So we will write rainy. Getting? Then R after S. Yes. Sun. So in this way children, for your understanding, I have given this example. So like that children, you have to follow it and you have to go through it. Okay children? Hope you got this. Now see the second lesson. What is the name of lesson number 2 children? Yes, naming words. Naming words. Okay. So see children, what is meant by naming words? Yes. Naming words name a person, place, animal or thing. Naming words name a person, place, animal or thing. We learnt about this in detail. Okay. Again, we are taking, I am taking your revision of this lesson. Okay. So children, names of person, it means name of any person like doctor, like engineer, like sister, brother, father. Okay. Names of places, it means names of any place like school, like home, like Mumbai, like fort. Okay. Like garden. Okay. So these are the names of the places. Names of animals like cat, parrot, giraffe, tiger. Okay. Then parrot, elephant. Names of things, it means book, notebook, yes, eraser, bottle, flower, kite. Okay. So children, these all are naming words. Yes, names of persons, names of places, names of animals, names of things, these all are naming words. Getting children? Hope you are getting it. So see children, see the example of naming words. Okay, like I have made a table, person, place, animal and thing. So we can see persons. In the column of person we can see teacher, girl, father. Okay. Place, school, pusat, house. Animal, pigeon, camel, cow. Things, notebook, hat, mobile. Okay. So children, in this way, if we will see here that I have arranged it like in school we can see person like teacher, in place we can see school, then animal like pigeon, like things like notebook. Yes. So children, in this way we can form the we can arrange it according to the person, place, animal and thing. Okay. So children, as like this person, all the persons like teacher, girl, father, place, school, pusher, house, animal, pigeon, camel, cow, things, notebook, hat, mobile. So children, in this way we have seen about this. Thank you.